the general public has always been behind the ball, so to speak. Now, for example, if you read The Speed Traders, this is a new book that points out high-frequency traders and how they're beating the market. The same type of equipment that they're using is available here. Also, if you read Beat the Forex Dealer, it will tell you how to beat your own broker if his speed is slower than yours. So there's no question, in every chat room, everywhere, in books, in magazine articles, everybody has to have the speed, but most people can't afford it. And so what we do is we make it affordable. For $100 a month, you get 66 times faster than a T1. You get a custom-built trading computer. Trading computers built just for that purpose, not something you buy at one of the local stores. In addition to that, our server alone costs $22,000. If you had to pay for this, you'd be paying maybe $6,000 a month for it. The high-speed line alone is $3,000. If you're going to trade and you're going to treat trading as a business, there's only one place to trade. If you don't have the money to pay $6,000 a month just to get to the market, you need to be at trading rooms worldwide, where we give you these advantages and make it equal with professional traders. This is where professional traders come to trade, and you can join them for $100 a month. In 12 months, there'll be one in every single state.